Find a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed and close your eyes. Take in a slow, deep breath, and as you release this breath, let your body completely relax. Take another slow, deep breath and breathe out any burdens or fears you may have. And take another breath and release all your thoughts, leaving your mind completely free. Now you can picture the most crystal clear, pure, white light that you can imagine, and see this light gently swirling and flowing all around you until it begins to form itself into a beautiful clear bubble. This bubble of light will provide you with comfort, safety, and perfect protection upon your journey, so that only that which is for your highest good may take place. Imagine that you're suspended in mid-air within the protection of this bubble, and feel yourself becoming lighter and lighter. So light that you begin to float up above your chair, through the ceiling and into the sky. Feel yourself float and drift freely as your bubble carries you above lush forests and rolling hills. Allow your gaze to focus upon a beautiful green meadow far below, and notice how it seems to sparkle like an emerald. Feel yourself begin to float down and approach this meadow, coming closer and closer. As you lightly touch down, look around at the grass and wildflowers, the old shade trees, and the brook winding its way into a nearby forest. Everything about this setting seems perfect, almost magical, as if it had been created just for you. You may take a walk over to the edge of the forest, and you will find a path leading in. Stepping upon this path, sense the cool, peaceful feeling in the air. And looking above you at the canopy of trees, see their leaves form beautiful patterns against the sky. Glimmers of sunlight shine through to the forest floor and illuminate a carpet of rich moss studded with all manner of wild flowers. As you walk along, look down and you will see that your path is composed of pebbles that are a brilliant color red. With each step, the vitality of the red color flows up into your feet and throughout your body, leaving you stronger and more full of energy than before. And as you walk deeper into the forest, the pebbles become brilliant golden yellow. A vibrant yellow glow now surrounds your body, charging you with mental clarity. And walking further into the center of the forest, the pebbles turn a deep emerald green, and all around you the plants and trees richly display this color of healing and balance. Take a moment to bask in this presence of this emerald green color, bringing you a sense of harmony. And as you walk along, further still, the pebbles upon the path become blue. As your gaze falls upon this color, feel its cool and soothing serenity and feel calmness and balance. As you near the end of this forest path, the pebbles become a deep, rich purple. Imagine yourself being surrounded and filled with the color purple, awaking within you spiritual energy and connection with your higher self. Stepping out into the clearing at the end of the forest, you find yourself once again flooded by the crystal clear, pure, white light. And as the light lifts, you will see that you are standing at the base of a group of enormous mountains. Looking up at these mountains, you see that their majestic peaks extend so high that they disappear into the sky. Traces of brilliant color swirl and weave in the air and reach up toward the mountain peaks as if to form an aerial latticework for you to climb. Bring your bubble of light back into your awareness, and once again it will lift you up into the air, higher and higher into the sky. Higher and higher you go, leaving the world below far behind. As the mountain peaks come into view, you can see that they are covered with powdery white snow glistening in the sun. Lower down the mountainside, the snow is melting and running into streams of sparkling clear water. One of these streams has caught your attention, and as your bubble brings you closer, you find that it is deeper and wider than the rest, turning into a beautiful waterfall. This waterfall has a very special presence, a life of its own, nourished by the snow of the highest mountain peaks and charged by the sun's powerful rays. It is apparent that here is a vessel of purest healing energy waiting to be shared with you. To experience this energy directly, remove your clothing and step into the shallow end of the pool formed at the bottom of this waterfall. This pool is the perfect temperature for you, and as your feet relax, you can feel them begin to receive the comforting, healing essence of the water penetrating your muscles and bones. Slowly walk forward into the pool as this healing water caresses your ankles, your calves, and your knees, as they too absorb this gentle energy and completely relax. As you run your hands across the surface of the water, you find yourself more and more comfortable and at home in this pool. You have the feeling that you are completely safe and totally free to be yourself. Let your body know that this is an opportunity to let go of any tension, release any imbalance, and be completely cleansed, purified, and renewed. Allow yourself to totally experience all the healing energy this pool has to offer as you dip below its surface and gently float up again. Feel the essence of the water permeating every part of you until your entire being becomes one with it. Take time now to experience yourself in this way, and if there is any part of you that you feel needs particular attention, see the water's loving essence flowing there, touching into the very nucleus of each cell and leaving it filled and pulsating with pure vital energy. If you would like, step beneath the waterfall and let it shower down over you. Listen carefully to the sound of its music, and as it cascades down, splashing into the pool, and hear whatever messages it may hold for you at this time. It will soon be the time to begin your return home. Slowly swim over to the edge of the pool and gently lift yourself out of the water. Finding your clothes, you will see that even they seem to be fresh and new. And with them, you can put on any new self-image that you wish. Once again, feel the bubble of light surrounding you. Know that this place is one that exists inside of you and that you can return to it whenever you would like. Let your bubble lift you up into the air above the waterfall, over the forest, the meadow, and through the sky, until you find your way back to the place where your journey began. Settle down gently into your body and begin to be aware of your body. Feel your physical energy become more and more present and prepare to return to your full waking consciousness. Let all the benefits of this experience stay with you, and when you are ready, open your eyes and feel completely awake, alert, and refreshed.